Good morning, friends. It is Jenny here at Gardening with Creekside, and today for our nursery tour we thought we would do something a little different. So today we are going to do a bit of a typical day in the life of Gardening with Creekside, because no day is really typical around here. It is early in the morning. I got caught with no shower, no makeup yet, and we have sun's coming up behind me. You can see a truck delivery of all of our potting soil. That is what we're going to use as far as our professional mix for next year. So you go ahead and order it now. You get an early discount, so that's why we're ordering it now. So the flatbed 18-wheeler just arrived. We knew it was coming sometime this morning, and of course, like with everything, they give you a window, but you don't really know when it's going to come. So it is here. So I'm walking over to the nursery, and we're going to document and let you see what that looks like. And yeah, it's going to be a fun day. We've got some different things planned, and we're just going to take you along for the ride. So here you go. This is what the big old truck looks like. So all of those blue things are pallets full of soil. And I think there's like 48 bags on a pallet. So all of those are for us. So we will unload it and get them stowed away for really next spring, where we'll begin planting in them. This is all from the Sungrow company. They do excellent potting mixes. It's the only thing that we will grow our plants in. And especially our annuals, hanging baskets, those kinds of things. It's just amazing. So we'll get in here, and Jerry's going to get all these guys unloaded. Okay, so all the soil is unloaded. It's here. Now I'm walking back to the house. Now I get to take off my Creekside hat and put on my mama hat and get everybody with a breakfast and get school started. We're gonna plant some trees here in just a little bit on our property, and it's gonna be a gorgeous day. We'll see where it goes. Who knows? Sun's out clearly. It's a bright sunny day. Gorgeous. Here we go. Life at Creekside. Okay, so the kids have had breakfast. I've had breakfast. Actually got my teeth brushed early this morning, and so I am ready for the day. Jerry's back there getting the bobcat ready. We are going to go ahead and film an official YouTube video, nice and edited, the polished one, and get some trees planted in our backyard for a privacy screen. Not that we need it immediately, but this is kind of a preventative thing. So let me just show you what we're gonna do. All I did is I'm still in the exact same spot that I was. I just flipped the camera around, and you can see we have got the cameras set up over here in the corner, and this is the very direct behind our house, so behind where the patio is going to be. You see this when you look straight off of our back porch. These are the trees that, some of the trees, not all of the trees, some of the trees that we went and got on Monday from South Carolina. So right here, get my finger right here is an Okami cherry tree we're going to put out. And then back here are the Berkey cedars. And then there in the very back, some of them are standing up there a little bit of a lighter green. Those are the Thuja green giants. So the idea is to fill in this back area right in here with a line, a double line of those trees, because our property line is literally on the other side of these trees. And as you can see, in the fall and winter, they lose all their leaves and you can see straight through. So if at some point our neighbors decide to sell that property and do who knows what with it, we want just a little bit of a privacy screen. So we know that these trees will take some years to grow. So we're gonna go ahead and get those in the ground. Gives you an idea of where we are. Of course, we've got the cameras not officially set up. Nursery is back there, and then you can see the patio bricks for the patio, and there's the house. So that's what we're gonna do. Get this video done and then move on to the next thing. I don't know what it is about me that I think, oh, we'll just go slap some trees in the ground and it'll be fine. We'll be done in and out, no problem. Whew, those trees about kicked our hiney, and you can see that we're still not completely done, but the next project has called, and so we must go and take care of that. Jerry has gone with Andrew, and they're gonna go install 3 of these little guys, the green giants, at a customer's house because their son is getting married at their house next week, and they're a great customer of ours, sweet people. So we're doing all we can to help them. So they need these guys to go in the ground to kind of fill in an empty space. So we're going to do that. So Jerry and Andrew have gone to go take care of that for them. All of the trees are in the ground. They're still not quite all done yet. We'll get them taken care of, but at least they're in the ground. They're upright, so they're happy. Sarah and I are going to go over to the nursery and work on pulling the shrubs for our neighbor that we're going to go do their landscape. They are our bee people. So all of you bee lovers that like to, keep up with what's happening with the bees at Creekside, they are the bee family. And so we're going to go pop some plants in the ground for them. And I haven't had lunch yet, so we got to do that. And yeah, it's a fun, full day. Walmart's already come with the groceries. It's just been great. Normal day here at Creekside, and it's not even halfway over yet. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens next. Okay, so the day is officially, work day is officially over. You can see that we are in the dark, leaving our neighbor's house. We ran into our favorite UPS man, and anyway, we got Matt and Lisa's house landscaped. We got it mulched. We were 1 yard short, but that's all right. We'll bring it up later. So anyway, that is a typical day in the life of Creekside. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Thanks.